We start off with a plain old piece of wrought iron wagon tyre, which we then forge to square edged and then roll into the Jellyroll, which we then get ready for forge welding, being careful to work it in the direction of the scroll so as to keep tightening it, and that way we limit the flaws from being able to propagate. Once it's forged to square, we weld on the faces, which we then heat treat after rough grinding. Here it's being brought up to temperature slowly. After that, it's hand sanding the faces to get a nice surface, and we are ready to hang onto a nice spotted gum handle. This handle has been coated with linseed oil, as has the hammerhead, and it's ready to go.